How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Super Takedown Ceptor series running board lights. So up top here I have our Ceptor-X, which will have 4 modules, and on the bottom is our Ceptor, which will have 6 modules. And both of these units will come with their included mounting hardware, and they will have the same features and functionality. So let's go ahead and go over the cable functions. Now you will have dual memory on these units, so you'll have your red Power Mode 1 cable, your brown Power Mode 2 cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your white sync cable, your blue alternate sync cable, and your green Super Takedown cable. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color options. So let's go over a few of those. So here I brought our Ceptor in a red-blue color setup, and I brought our Ceptor-X in an amber and a green-clear alternating. But again, we do offer our Ceptor and Ceptor-X models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, or alternating. Or if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, we do have our customization tool on our website. And you'll notice that all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. So to demonstrate Super Takedown, I brought our Ceptor-X in amber and our Ceptor in red-blue. Now to activate Super Takedown, you'll use your green Super Takedown cables, and those will override any warning modes you have activated. Or you can activate your Super Takedown mode independently as well. Now let's go over dual memory. So here I have Power Mode 1 activated by using my red power cable. Now to activate Power Mode 2, I'll use my brown power cable. Now Power Mode 2 will override Power Mode 1 when both cables are activated, or I can activate my modes independently as well. Now you do have the ability to program these units in sync, like you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you have 3 pattern speeds to choose from: slow, medium, and fast. And to change pattern speeds, I'll use my yellow flash pattern cables. So here's slow, medium, and then fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a demonstration of how to program your units in sync or alternate sync, check out our how-to video on the product page. So that covers our Ceptor series running board lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video and also our how to sync and alt sync video, and also check out our interactive players located on the product pages. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.